Today's Canva template, we have the bubble wand, so you can head over to the craftprintshop.com to get yours, and let's start this tutorial. Once you've made your purchase and clicked on the link, it'll bring you here. You're going to select Use Template for New Design. First, at the top left, right here where it says File, you're going to select File, click on the name right here, type in the name you'd like this file to be saved as in your Canva account, and then click Enter, just so we don't forget to change the name. And now all the images in here and colors and things like that can be used in the free version of Canva. You can change the color. Once you select, right here is the color palette. You're gonna you're gonna click the color and select which color you want. These are all the colors used on this page. Then you'll see these are the colors pulled from the images that are in there, and then the basic colors here. If there isn't a color located anywhere here, you can click on Add New Color and go here and select the color palette you want. Go down, choose whichever color you want, right? Now for the name, you just double click in the name and change it to the name you want. Now when the name is long, you just hit this little rectangle button, select it, and pull, and it'll make it longer to fit. You're just going to make sure the name fits within the rectangle. You can size it smaller if you need to. And you can move the images over wherever you want, right? The two images here, the sun and the beach ball, the colors can't be changed, but you can remove them if you want and put in another image. The little bubbles on the side here, you can change the colors. If you see up top here, it's two color palettes, white and blue. This one is on yellow. You just select it and choose the colors you want, or you can even remove these if you needed to. Now you can go over to the left right here where it says Elements, and you can find different images to put on here. Now I'm going to type in, let's see, I think I found some blowing bubbles. Let's see what we get. So they have photos, they have videos, and they have graphics. We're putting graphics on here. I'm just selecting See All, and they have little images of kids blowing bubbles. You can type in any theme you want and look for what is available. You can also go to Uploads and upload your own images that you'd like to put in here, maybe in a picture of the child. But remember, once you bring in pictures, in order to remove the background, you'd have to have the Pro. Now, some of these pictures have a crown next to it. That means it's for the Pro version of Canva. If you only want to use the free version, look for images like this one or even this one. This one, they don't have the crown next to it, so you can use them for free, right? That's fine. I like the image of the actual like little bubbles. I'll do two. And I'll also just show you briefly. Right here, you can do flip horizontal and have it just match the two ends, right? Now also, when you click on an image, when you bring it in, if you don't see that color palette circle, that means you cannot change the color. Like when you click here, you see those colors come up. You select it, it's just an image and you can't change the colors in that image. Let's also find some more bubbles. I'm going to take the beach ball away. These are really cute, realistic looking bubbles, but you need Pro in order to use this. I really like them, but it doesn't go with the image, so I'm not going to use it. Also too, with the colors of the name, if you want to change that, so it's like hot pink right here, you're going to select the letter with the text color here, and again, choose the color you want. For the white offset, you're going to click on Effect. Outline is the effect we're using. You're going to select these colors right here to change the color of the offset. Let's say we wanted it to be green or blue, like that. bring it back to white just so you can see. I'm going to give you an example of how you would upload an image. So when you click on uploads, you're just going to find that image that you want to use. I'm going to use myself as the example. Right here, background remover. It has the crown, so you do need Pro, but once you give it one click, the background is gone. And then you can just size your picture wherever you want. I'm going to size mine right on in here and put my own name. Now you can move the layers around when you're ready. Just go to position up here, and if you need to move it forward, see that, backward. I like when you have layers like, hold on, let me just move this in over. I'm gonna pull this out a little. So the beach ball is behind the S, but the sun is in front of it. I love to have layers like that. And then right here, just, me just right on in there. You can also do frames. When you go to elements, let's clear out. When you scroll down, or you could just type in frames, but they have frames right here. I'm gonna go to select all, and you'll see there are so many different types, like film and photo, devices, paper, and then you could just see all flowers, and you see different floral designs. Some of them have cute borders. So using these and dragging and dropping an image in there also works too. See, there's a wide variety. Even if you wanted to spell out a name and put an image in each letter, let me just show you how that looks. Just so you also can learn to use Canva. You probably won't use this for bubbles, but it's a cute feature. I'm just gonna put random letters. I'm not spelling out anyone's name. You just size them to fit. A G, a C, a D. Let me go back because I made that a little too small. And a B. There we go. Just random. Let's say you wanted to spell out someone's name with images. Go to your uploads again. Grab that image. I'm just going to use 4 of the same image. We're going to just hover over the letter and you drag and drop. And then you can double click on the letter, pull this to stretch it out so that you can position it where you'll see it within the face within the letter like that. So you see the face here. On this one, let's say double click, spread it out, and then put it to the top where you can see more of the top. Do this one, push it more to the side, just to give you an example of how, and the letter B if it's right in there. So you can do that too. Isn't that cute? Now let me just click on border style, and you can put borders around it. Change it to be a little slimmer. Too thick would fill it all in. But you can change that border if you feel like with the letter you can't really see it. And then also, hold on, let me just go back. This is the border color, so it doesn't have to be black. See? So that's a cute feature you can use on basically anything you want. I'm going to leave it here. We're going to print it. We're not going to use it because I don't even know what it's spelling. But that's how you would change up all the features on here and make it look cute and the way that you'd like it, right? So I am going to show you how to save, print, and then we'll not really assemble, but you're going to print this on sticker paper and then adhere it to the actual bubbles. And I found these bubbles in, I believe they were from Target. I believe, yeah. All right, so you're going to go to the top right and select share. Then you're going to select download. You're going to choose your file type as PDF print. You're going to flatten PDF, and then you're going to select download. Now that we have our download open, I am printing on the Epson EcoTank 16600. So I'm going to go to File, Print. My printer is already selected. My media and quality, I'm sending it to the rear tray. I'm using photo glossy paper because the sticker paper is glossy. The quality is at best, it defaults to best, but just make sure that it's there, and then I'm going to print. All of these supplies I'm going to have linked in the video description, and if you made your purchase, they are linked in the PDF that you'll get with your purchase. Okay, so this is the printed. You could use your scissors or a paper trimmer. And you get the bubbles. Very simple, just peel. And stick. And there you have your custom bubble wands. So again, the template at thecraftprintshop.com. And don't forget to subscribe.